Welcome to Hobbies with Hobbs. Today I am going to make a wallet. It's a little bifold wallet, but it's going to be very cool. Something out of the ordinary. Let's get into it. First things first, I'll make this a little smaller. Got this piece all done. Set it off to the side. Now we'll get this one, and of course we're gonna make it a little smaller. Get this one taped down. Now on this, I'm going to try to use some of these scales as part of this design. Come on. Oh, I didn't unroll it all the way. Now I'm going to try to use this as like it feeds down into here. It's going to be that part. I think that'll be a good little placement for that one. Now that I've got all these pieces cut, I'm going to start getting it kind of ready for assembly. And then get it all cleaned up on the edges and all that fun stuff. So I am going to burnish the edge of these black. Just give it a little more appeal. Get this piece all burnished up. Now that I've got this all cut, burnished, whatnot, I am going to go ahead and get my little buttons on here. Not yet. I'm gonna go ahead and get these laid out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Next, I'm going to get these pockets taped on. So now as I get to stitching this whole thing will start coming together. And this is going to look really cool. Get this last little bit on here. Then we got, I think, 2 more sections to stitch. This thing will be pretty much done. Next is just about the final part. I'm going to get this taped on over here, taped on, stitched, and this thing will be done. pretty excited with how this wallet's looking. I mean, it's definitely a pretty off-the-wall design. And I really like it. I think this one's going to be made a few more times with several different colors of leather and different patterns or different textures. Just because I think this really kind of is meant for contrasting colors and textures. Well, this is what we got. Bifold, cash slot, spot for card, spot for card, spot for card. Well, I guess you could even stick one in there if you really wanted. This thing looks cool. Well, till next time.